How to log out on Telegram. So if you want to log out on Telegram, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to log out Telegram on your phone, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the Telegram app. Now once you open the Telegram app, the next thing is click on settings on iPhone, and on your Android, go to your Telegram profile page. Click on edit at top right to edit your Telegram profile. Scroll down the page, then you should see logout here. Now go ahead and click on logout. Once you click on logout, you spot that says alternative option. You can add another account, set a passcode, clear cache to free up space, change phone number, contact support, log out, deactivate all secret chat. So if you want to log out to Telegram account, just go ahead, click on logout. Then you should see what that says. This will cancel all your secret chat. So if you have any secret chat on your Telegram, then go ahead and unsecret it or remove from secret chat and then make it public. You can use Telegram on all your devices at once and use a free account in the same app. So just click on OK. Once you click on OK, then you'll see your Telegram account logged out. So that's basically how to log out Telegram on iPhone or Android. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.